Hi, so I thought it'd be good to walk through the process of how I create a track in Suno these days. Really straightforward, right? I'm using Grok AI, I'm using Suno, and I'm using my DAW, and I just want to show how rapidly I'm doing a track these days. Now, bear in mind, I'm not trying to be an artist. I'm trying to output lots of content quickly, and I'm kind of doing it from a kind of an intrinsic interest in learning how to do it and improving. Sometimes I'm using my audio for memes. Sometimes I'm sending them to other people to use. So it's kind of important to classify that. I'm not trying to be the artist here, right? So what I've done with Grok is I've set up some projects within Grok. It's a feature that you can do. You can give Grok very specific project instructions based on your workflows, what you're after. And it will stick to it religiously, and it makes things really quick. Maybe I'll do that in another video, how to set up a project. It's quite straightforward. There's one of the options in the menus. As well as that, I've got some agents that I've built that do different things for me, that keep things very aligned with my project. Maybe I'll do that and show you that at some point too. But I just want to show you what I do to get this running really quickly. Grok, suggest 10 song titles in a similar niche to my recent productions. Now, of course, you might think of a song title, yourself, but I just want to go through the whole process of how I can do this really quickly. Forge the unbroken chain, echoes of defiant soil, sovereign bones rise, flames that never yield, recall the iron will, roots that break concrete, unbowed, unforgotten, blood anthem eternal, storm call of the freeborn, legacy and razor wire. I don't like any of them. Let's keep it a bit more simple. Let's say, let's do a positive one. Let's do a positive song about remaining truthful and holding on to what's important. Truth holds the throne. It's done the lyrics for me already. Truth holds the throne. A Suno ready prompt structure. So you can see that I've programmed my agents to know that I'm going to be using Suno. So I don't have to tell it that every time. It just obeys what I've told it in the project. It saves a heap of time. What's the chorus looking like? Truth holds the throne, unbent, unchained. What matters most runs in my veins. I stand in fire. I speak the flame. The core remains, the core remains. Look, let's just go for that. So I literally just copy those lyrics down to here. It's given suggestions about chordal voicings. I'm not going to use those for now. I'll just get my Suno up. Suno is Suno. Now in Suno I have some workspaces. One of them is alternative. And this is where I've been putting a bunch of things which are kind of like a northern British gritty, almost like Arctic Monkeys kind of thing, like angsty, but with some EDM mixed in as well to give it a kind of a cross genre thing, which I'm quite liking. And I literally just put the lyrics in the box here, dump them in. I do go to voice and I select one of these used to be called personas, they're now called voices. I find my indie British rock voice, because this is what I'm using to map across a whole bunch of songs. I think I've got like 10 done this way now, and it just gives each song consistency, so it does sound like the same artist. Again, I'm not trying to be an artist. We're doing this for fun and all the rest of it. So there you go. Indie's been chosen. Got my lyrics in. The style's in there. That's the the prompt that comes across with the saved voice. More options. I always go down to here. I always click male because it's a male vocal. I'll turn weirdness right off, and I keep the audio influence round about there. But I do turn the style influence up to about 83, 84, depends. Now, what was this song called? Truth Holds the Throne. Truth Holds the Throne. And it's going to save it into my alternative workspace. I click create. You may have seen some other videos I've done about AI generation. I always turn off comments. So I go here and I turn off allow remixes and I turn off allow comments. I don't want anybody else commenting or remixing this. So I turn them off. Once that's done, we just wait a bit. Now, what I will do while that's waiting, I'll create a folder on my hard drive called Truth Holds the Throne. And then I'll also put another folder in there, call it Masters. And that's where I'm going to save the output from Suno. And then I'll put it into my DAW and master it. I don't use the mastering options in Suno. I like to bring it into my DAW and give it my mastering vibe, which then gives it a nice bit of consistency, you know, when you have a collection of songs. Okay, so we've got 2 generations. Let's listen to the first one. It says 7 minutes 15, which I don't believe. I think probably 4 or 5 minutes of that's probably just weird noise. But let's press the play on the first one.
Quiet truth, steady flame. Whispers try to bend the line. Shouters bargain, trade the light. I keep the words I swore were mine. No velvet light can steal the night. They sell the easy, carve the fake, but still remembers every stake. Truth holds the throne, unbent, unchained. What matters most runs in my veins. I stand in fire.
I quite like it. It's good, right? Let's play the second one.
Quiet truth, steady flame. Whispers try to bend the line. Shadows bargain, trade the light. I keep the words I swore were mine. No velvet light can steal the night. They sell the easy, carve the fake.
Let's wait for the chorus.
Remembers every stake. Truth holds the throne, unbent, unchained. What matters most runs in my veins. I stand in fire, I speak the flame. The core remains.
I thought I liked that one more than the first one, but I don't think I do now. Let me just listen to the first one again.
Quiet truth, steady flame.
Yeah, I like this one. Okay, so we've got the song. Now, what I'll do next is literally, I mean, I could generate, you know, you can generate 100 of these if you want and choose the one you want, tweak the lyrics, tweak the style, influence, the audio influence. Even change the arrangement by what you put into the lyrics prompt. You can, you know, map out intro, you know, verse 1, pre-chorus, chorus, etc. I'm not going to do that because that's the template that I've kind of been using for quite a few of these songs, and it sort of fits well. I like this because it sounds like the other ones I've been doing, so it'll fit quite nicely into that batch of stuff that I could use for whatever I want to use it for. Now I'll download this. So I'll go to download. I always download the WAV file. And then I'll put it into my DAW and we'll master it. For my mastering chain, I basically use these. I turn them all on. I get that metering float in a floating window, so I can look at it on a different screen. I then also put this limiter at this is my default mastering template. It's at -6.1 dBs, and it's a modern tube sound using Ozone Vintage limiter. But when I'm mixing, I always put this down, this fader on that track, to about -6 to give me plenty of headroom to actually master it. So let's go, and then I'll just loop this up. Not that we're gonna. How long is that? Does it end about there? We didn't even listen to the end, but it ends about there. So let's just see what it sounds like when we start mastering it. That first limiter I do nothing with. I just leave that as a kind of headroom buffer. And then I'll go into this.
Quiet truth, steady flame.
Then I'll go to this inflator. Now, quite often, I whack this right up, if I'm honest.
Quiet truth, steady flame.
Then I'll get my limiter. This is set to 0.1 dBs by default. This is my template. Then I might enhance this. I usually open the attack a bit to let some of the transients through to give it a bit more life and energy. And then we'll gradually whack this one up.
They sell the easy carved fake, but steel remembers every stake. Truth holds the throne, unbent, unchained. What matters most runs in my veins. I stand in fire, I speak the flame. The core remains. The core remains. World spins mirrors, offers gold for pieces of the soul I hold. I wage breath against the old, the quiet vow that won't be sold. No crown of comfort, no cheap grace, only the weight of my own face. Who calls the throne unbent, unchained?
I mean, that's pretty good. Like, you know what I mean? I'm kind of okay with that. I would be happy to put that through DistroKid without pissing around with it too much more. But I have set this up so that it's kind of a quick thing to do to get to that where I want it to be, with the levels. And I know what I'm doing, so I'm doing one every day. Let's just check the front and the end of it. Make sure there's no noises. There isn't. There's a little click. Let's get rid of that. So we put a little fade on that. Ooh, where's my fader? There it is. Let's check the end.
Hold. Woo! Truth holds the throne.
Yep, that's where it ends. So we'll cut it there. This makes it a bit bigger for you. And then I'll put a
the throne.
Cool. The last bit is noise. There's a bit on the end. I'm going to get rid of all that. So this is the song. It's like what we want, right? We've top and tailed it with a fade in and a fade out, so there's no noise. I've mastered it. It's great. It's good enough. So I will just now save that. And I would put that into DistroKid. And it's as simple as that, right? Now, like I said, AI is here, whether you use it or not. If I was an artist, And I had aspirations of being an artist, which I don't. If I was in my 20s and I was singing that type of song and out gigging it, yeah, I probably wouldn't use AI. I would probably get together with my mates and write songs. And in fact, I did. That is exactly what I did in my teens, in my early 20s. I had a band, an indie band that sounded a bit like that, to be honest. I might use AI though to generate ideas, like I just did. Give me a song idea, and then maybe change the lyrics. Then I'd probably have the band play it with me. So for idea generation, maybe I would use it. It's certainly being used throughout the music industry now. Very, very high profile producers and executive producers are using AI pretty regularly to come up with ideas. Have a look at Ryan Tedler. Search up Ryan Tedler. There's some great stuff around on YouTube about him and how he uses it. So a lot of us are using it, you know. How quick is that, right? You know, and then I could literally give that track to a band and say, here's your parts, you know, break it down into the stems, here's the bass, here's the drums, you do that. I mean, I could put a band together like next week, give those parts to some musicians that I know that are really cool musicians, and they'd learn it really quickly, go in and sing it, you know. Might be fun. Anyway, there you go. Hope it was useful. Drop some comments if you're using AI, if you're producing stuff. It's all good. It's all fun. Experiment. See you later.